look at Randy Orton slithering.
Watch out, watch out, watch out, watch out!
Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. This is my co-host, Emily.
Thanks for having me, guys.
Today we're going to be making air fryer pasta chips, which I have never had before, but I've seen lots of videos on it, and it looks almost good. So we'll see if it's good.
I expect it to be crispy and crunchy.
I hope it's not like you break your teeth on them,
Yeah,
because that's what I think.
but I also hope they don't get soggy.
Yeah, that's true too.
And I also hope one side isn't squishy and then the other side is crunchy.
Yeah.
That'd be bad.
You got all the scenarios?
Yeah,
You got pure panic.
I've been thinking about it for a while.
We're gonna have to start by boiling some water. We boiled it yesterday, but we have to...
I love being a co-host because I love being included. Don't
Yeah, you haven't been included since the gingerbread house video.
That's true.
Because last time she fucked it up. Alex.
Well, I never said that creativity and making things was my strong suit. I never said that.
All right, we got the rigatoni here. This is the one I saw in the recipe that I looked at. You can probably choose the little spiral ones too. I don't know what they're called, do you?
No. Those are big boys.
Yeah, they're from Whole Foods.
Oh, that makes sense.
I feel like I have a frog in my throat.
That is what friends are for.
Co-hosts. So you go like that, and then you hit it again, and then you just continue doing that, I guess. If you guys have any tips on mincing garlic,
Comment a garlic below. Well, this
star,
is a
one
giant knife. Oh my god, I love how garlic smells. Yum, 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 yum.
Timer 13 minutes. Then I'm gonna put my colander in the sink. And it has pineapples on it. My mom got me this as a housewarming gift.
And I have the same one, but I got it for myself.
Because Emily's obsessed with me.
There's some garlic on you.
What the? Just gonna strain these. So I'm gonna transfer these over to a bowl, and Emily's got the oil. She's just an oily girl.
Always got that oil.
Now you spray it like it's a pest. You're trying to... Emily, let's do our funny trick.
Okay.
Prepare to be astonished.
Here we go.
Wait a minute.
So realistic. And you want a single layer on the bottom. None of them really overlapping.
Didn't mean to do that.
What are you doing? Okay.
They're just kissing a little.
They're all just smooching.
A little smooch.
Do you want to do the honors?
I'd love to. Never done this before.
Really?
I've never done this before. What? So you put it in.
Good job, Emily.
Thanks, guys.
Now you want to set it at 400 degrees, 8 to 10 minutes.
Later.
They look soggy. Don't they?
Ew, Emily.
Are they squishy?
Okay, so it said 8 to 10 minutes.
2 more minutes.
I did 8. We're gonna do a little bit more.
1 minute, 37 seconds later.
Okay, that looks a lot better.
Maybe.
On camera, it looks a lot better. The middle ones still look just
Yeah, that
so
usually
soggy.
happens. We'll take these then. Are these chips? I don't know. Are these just
It
burnt?
does. I don't think they're burnt. I was gonna say, they say that the Taco Bell churros are just...
Churros or cinnamon twists?
Aren't the cinnamon twist churros?
Nope.
Aren't they supposed to be their version of a churro?
Nope.
They have churros too?
No, but calling it a churro would just be rude. Anyway, here we have our little chips. Where's the... Now we have to oil it up and then season them. More. More. Okay, that's good. Take our minced garlic.
Oh, I love that sound.
It's gonna be extra garlicky,
Yeah.
I guess. I got a lot going on over here.
So she just threw some salt in there and some garlic.
Yeah, salt, garlic, and then I'm taking this Parmesan cheese, and I'm just gonna.
That looks really nice.
Should I do a lot more or how
Yeah,
much?
probably.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's probably.
We're gonna dip it in this sauce that I made yesterday.
Oh, nice. But the recipe says to just dip it in pasta sauce.
This is pasta sauce.
But it's fancy homemade palomino sauce.
We're just gonna.
Did you guys just see her try to burn me?
They're screaming.
Yeah, these boys are really shrieking.
All right, and this is what we got.
Oh, okay. All right. Yeah, I think we're good.
Emily's allergic to garlic, so she can't try it.
Hold up. Wait a
I
minute.
love how garlic smells. Yum, 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 yum. Wait, I gotta pick a good one. Yours looks really
Pick a crunchy one. Did you say mine looks weird?
No, I said yours. I was gonna say yours looks really dark, so I should get a dark one.
I don't know about these.
Oh, I love them.
The sauce is really good.
banging. You made a really good sauce.
I put my whole budussy into it.
It shows. Yeah, like I feel like it should have like oregano. You know, like
Oregano.
I like them.
These are like raw noodles.
Wait, yeah. Why did we? Should we try a raw noodle?
Mine's dripping.
We're seeing them right now. Oh, I can't wait. So I guess that's why you cook them and then air fry them.
Yeah, definitely not a fair comparison. These are actually good.
Yeah, I think these are really good.
Are these a fulfilling snack though?
Well, that's my next question is like, what's the reason you eat these instead of other chips or tortilla chips or something?
They're low fat, I think.
Are they?
I think it's just supposed to be fun.
Oh,
You guys are never gonna make this. I'd say they're pretty good though.
me too.
A 7 out of 10.
I'd say with the sauce that Alice made, 8.5, 9. Naked,
Yeah, naked, like a 4.
yeah. You want to try it? Oh wait,
Oh wait, you want to try one?
because you can't.
Like and subscribe, and if you have more air fryer recipes that you want me to try, comment it below, and I'll give it a go.
And if you thought that you said
that you want.
you said Emily is so fun to be here, say that too. Then they'll include me more.
No, that was the worst one you could have worked. Why don't you retry?
Anyway, we need to get some thumbnail pictures.
Yeah.
So peace out, Girl Scouts. Until next time.
Like, subscribe, share, and comment below that you like me.
You heard
Okay,
her.
bye.